Hi friends! Did you know a tiny phone like this has a huge magical journey? Let's go inside the phone factory.
Step 1. To collect the raw materials.
Phones start with special materials like sand, metals, and shine bits.
Step 2. Making the screen.
Sand gets super hot and turns into clear glass for the screen.
Furnace transforming sand into transparent glass screens.
Sand gets super hot and turns into clear glass for the screen.
Step 3. Chip and brain making.
Tiny chips like smart brains make phones super smart and fast.
Step 4. Circuit board assembly.
All the little parts join together like a puzzle.
Step 5. Battery making.
This is the battery. It gives the phone its energy.
Step 6. Phone body assembly.
Now the screen, battery, and brain come together. Ta-da!
Gently placing screen, battery, and circuit into phone bodies. Step 7. Testing the phone.
Every phone gets tested to make sure it works perfectly.
Step 8. Color and finish.
Wow! Phones get shiny colors and smooth coats.
Where phones glide through colorful mist, glossy and matte finishes appear. Step 9. Packing and ready.
Yay! Phones are packed and ready to meet you. Did you like our phone adventure? Like, share, and follow for more fun factory stories.